Hello everyone, welcome back to Feasty Sisters. Today we'll be seeing a beautiful kofta curry. The koftas will be prepared using banana stem and they will be infused into a very delicious and a creamy onion tomato gravy. Let's first start preparing the koftas. Finely chop the banana stem as shown and pressure cook it along with the potatoes for 7 to 8 whistles or until soft. Grate the boiled potatoes and take them in a bowl. In goes the boiled banana stem pieces as well. You can mash or blend the cooked banana stem pieces, but I like it this way since it gives a crunchy bite while having the koftas. Add red chili powder, garam masala, amchur powder, salt, turmeric powder and mix it well. Next we'll be adding in besan and corn flour, which acts as a binding agent to get the required shape of the koftas. So add it according to your requirement. To shape the kofta balls, grease your palms with oil. Take a portion of the mixture and shape them into a ball of your preferred size. We shall prepare all the remaining balls this way. Refrigerate these kofta balls for about half an hour for them to set. This helps to retain its shape while frying. Now we'll be frying the koftas in hot oil till they turn golden brown in color. Keep these balls aside. Next, I'll be preparing a puree for the gravy. For that, I'll be taking diced onions, diced tomatoes, few garlic pods, green chilies, ginger and cashew nuts. Now time to shallow fry these in little oil, one by one, starting from garlic, ginger and green chilies. Add in the diced onions now. Fry them till the onions turn transparent. Add the diced tomatoes and cashew nuts and saute them. Add about half a cup of water and let them cook till onions and tomatoes turn tender. Switch off the flame and cool the mixture to room temperature. Once cooled, blend it into a smooth paste. Time to prepare a lip-smacking gravy now. Heat ghee in a kadai. Add cumin seeds and let it crackle. Add in turmeric powder, red chili powder, asafoetida powder and crushed kasuri methi. Make sure the flame is low so that the masalas don't get burnt, and fry the masalas for a minute or so. Next, add in the onion tomato paste and bring it to a boil. Add a cup of water into it. Close the lid and let it cook for a nice 10 minutes. You can see the gravy has come together beautifully. It's nice, thick and creamy. Mix in sugar and salt. Add garam masala powder and combine it well with the gravy. You can check on salt now and also include water to adjust the consistency of the gravy as well. Add in fresh cream and boil for 5 minutes on medium flame. Drop the prepared koftas one by one into the gravy now and boil for 10 minutes. Spread a lavish sprinkle of coriander leaves on top. The delicious kofta curry is now ready. Enjoy it with rice or hot chapatis and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and catch you again with a new recipe.